Today I'll be talking about my biggest losing trade. It is not a general topic but a specific stock, that is Birlasoft. I'll be speaking about what happened when I entered and how I didn't follow the rules which I've set today. So let's go through the trade, how it went. I entered the trade in July 2024. Now, why I entered this trade was because in July 24 the stock market was at all-time high and there was a super bull run that was going on. And most importantly, it was the small cap stocks that were performing brilliantly. I chose Birlasoft as my entry stock because this stock had given a rise of 80% from September 2023 to February 2024, and then this stock consolidated for nearly 3 months. And post this consolidation, I figured that the stock has fallen 32% from its all-time high of February 2024. And after May, the stock has shown certain recovery signals. It recovered around 20 to 22% till June. And on July 1st, 2024, the stock had given a bullish candle with high volumes in daily time frame. So I thought this is a good candle that the stock had made, and now I thought that the consolidation is also over. So I entered the stock on 1st July 2024. My first mistake was I entered my full position in this stock, and post entering this full position, the stock was up my buying price for around next 20 days. So I thought my thesis has confirmed, and this was my mistake, that I thought my thesis was confirmed within the first 20 days, and I didn't put any stop loss to this trade while I entered. And post the 20th July, the stock had fallen nearly 30% till August. From that point, the stock had fallen 30% till August. And as I had not put any stop loss, so I was worried, and I just had hope that this stock will recover a bit, or at least will come back, as it had given a 80% run in the last 7 odd months. So post consolidation it will recover. But what happened next? This stock, after falling 30% in August, recovered a bit and came near my buy price. Not above the buy price, but near my buy price, where I could have put a stop loss if I am trading in 2026. So as I thought the stock had recovered, so as every investor does, that if the stock has recovered near my buy price, it will go above my buy price and then it will go further up. So I was also greedy in that phase. Then the stock, this greed of mine has taken over the relief. Like, I was relieved that the stock has come near the buy price, so I was greedy about that it will move further up. But as you say that you can't predict any stock's movement, the stock further corrected and fell 52% in April 2025. That is from the buy level of 720, it had fell to 331 in merely 9 months. So now I was sitting at a significant loss, which I couldn't see only. And from April 2025 till July 2025, I just bought the stock, and when it came near 430 levels, so I just exited it with a heavy heart. So this trade entirely, which I kept for 1 year, had given me 39% loss. And this exit also I did, that was not on the basis of any, what we call, thesis or a technical indicator or fundamental indicator, but this was only because my hope had crashed. I thought that now the stock will go nowhere, and this crashed hope, with this crashed hope, I had lost 39% in 1 year in a single stock, of the amount of, obviously, of the amount that I had invested in that stock, not of the entire portfolio. And now when I see at that trade, I think I learned many things from the single trade itself. The learnings from this trade were, first, you should always put a stop loss at the time of entry itself. Then second, always have a staged entry. Don't entry at once. Don't take entry in any stock at once. Then the third was always have a exit criteria, either be it a technical target or be it a fundamental target, but always have a exit rule. And the next, never let your emotion take control of any of your stock. It's like everyone says, never marry a stock. So never take the emotion and carry the stock. And lastly, never keep a stock just with the hope that it will perform. And till date, today is 19th August, till date, the stock has not recovered and it is lying in the 300 levels. So whatever were my learnings through this trade, now I have made a system with those learnings. I lost 39% in Birlasoft, that's right. But this 39% had taught me much more things. The loss had taught me much bigger things than merely the loss that I had given to the market. So yeah, that's it from my side. Hope to see you on Friday. I'm Shubamm Agrawal from Swish Wealth. Thank you.